foodies! Welcome back to our channel, guys. Today's recipe is mango chitrana. That's right, this is an absolute fan favorite recipe. You don't want to miss out on this recipe. You're watching Get Set and Cook with Pratima and Chandana. Please subscribe to our channel and support us. In this mango season, you definitely want to try this recipe and it is absolutely delicious. To make this, you'll need the following. 1 cup of grated mango, I've taken a raw mango here, 1 big onion, some green chilies, jeera, groundnuts, some gram dal, mustard seeds, coriander, some curry leaves, turmeric, salt and oil. Let's get started. So I'm lighting up the stove and placing a kadai to which I'm adding about 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. Now the first thing that I'm going to do is fry some groundnuts and set them aside. Most of us, we tend to put groundnuts along with all the other vegetables, due to which the groundnuts will become soggy at the end. If you don't want that and if you want the groundnuts to have a bite and nice crisp, follow this tip. Fry the groundnuts before you add in anything and set them aside. You want to take them when they look something like this. I'm setting these aside so that I can add them at last. Now I'm adding in some more oil and adding in about 1 to 2 teaspoons of mustard seeds. Once the seeds pop, I'm adding in 1 to 2 teaspoons of jeera. Jeera is also called as cumin seeds. To this I'm adding about 2 tablespoons of gram dal. Let all of this fry for about 30 seconds. I'm now adding in about 3 to 4 strands of curry leaves. All these give a good flavor. Also, I'm adding in about 6 to 7 green chilies that I've slit longitudinally. Right after, I'm adding 1 onion, which I have chopped up. To this, I'm also adding 1 to 2 teaspoons of salt and half a teaspoon of turmeric. Give all of this a good mix. We are so thankful to all of you guys for subscribing to our channel. We are now at 200 plus subscribers. That makes us so happy. Thank you so much, guys. If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, please consider subscribing, support us and let us know what you want us to make next. Next up, I'm adding about 1 cup of mango. I've taken a raw mango here. Especially you can take totapuri. This is a breed of mangoes which we use for this. Grate it up nicely and then add it in. To this, I'm also adding about half a cup of coriander. Also mind it, guys, you want to add mango which is raw because raw mangoes will have a nice sourness to it which sweet mangoes or ripe mangoes won't. Since we're not adding in lemon, the sourness for this recipe is derived from your raw mango, so please keep that in mind. Now I'm adding in some rice and mixing it up. Don't forget to add the groundnuts that we had set aside earlier. These groundnuts will be damn crispy and too good. Give it all a good mix and then serve it up. This is an excellent dish for breakfast. You don't want to miss this. Please try it out. If you have any access to mangoes, definitely try this recipe. It hardly takes about 10 minutes to make this, but you'll love it and you'll go back for more. Trust me on this, guys. You don't want to miss this. Thank you so much for watching our videos and supporting us. Please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Like our videos, comment below what you want us to make next. And thank you so much for watching.